All right, welcome to a little tutorial on how to use Accelerated Reader and ARbookfind. I'm going to take you through how to get logged into AR, how to check your students' progress, and remind you of a couple things about AR. And then also, if you're reading a book at home and you would like to look up and see, can my kid take a test on this book? I will help you with that. So we're starting here on the Hoopston homepage, just the district homepage. Okay, if you're not sure what it is, it's hoopston.k12.il.us. And you will notice on the homepage there are all these buttons on the front, okay? The one that we're looking for today is the Accelerated Reader button. So when you find that with the little books on it, go ahead and click. And it will open up the welcome portal. Now, make sure that you always go through the homepage if you are trying to log into AR at home, because it is the only one that will work for our school. So obviously we will be clicking I'm a student, and kids can log in from there. On AR, they can take tests, they can check their student progress on how they're doing. Every kid at John Grier has an AR goal, so they can check it. As we go through the quarter, kids are earning points to go towards their AR goal. And if you would like to check and see how far they are at home, we sent home a letter attachment that looks like this. Okay, it was sent home during your fall conference. It says, Dear Parent or Guardian, we use a software program called Renaissance at School. But the most important part is this bottom part down here. It says to log into the Home Connect website. And this is if you ever want to check your students' progress on their AR goal. Okay, there is a link that you can type in, the Global Zone 05 Renaissance Go Student Progress Home Connect. And then you log in using your student's information, which is on that sheet that we sent home with you. Once you log in with that, it will pull up this page, and through this page, you can check and see how they did on their first quarter goal, and if they met their first quarter goal. You can check and see how they are progressing on their second quarter goal, or third, or fourth, etc. Okay? If your child is wondering if they've ever read and completed a book before, up here there is the My Goals, My Certifications, and My Completed Work. If you can click on My Completed Work, you will be able to see any books that your child has read and tested on and how they performed on those tests. Additionally, if you want to get email updates so you can track your child's work, these will email you if your kid takes a test and how well they do on the test. There's a little orange button up here that says Get Email Updates. You can click on that. You put in your information, and you can have up to 6 people track. There are a few things you can get notifications about. Most of us don't take STAR Early Literacy, but you could check that if you wanted to. There's an update on their STAR Math, Accelerated Reader, STAR Reading, so you can click the ones that you want and then click Submit, and it will send you email updates. Now, let's say that your child is reading a book at home that they own themselves or got from the public library, and they want to know, is it a AR test? There's a simple way to figure that out. I'm going to click back to the home page, and right next to the Accelerated Reader button, there is an AR Bookfinder button. When you click on that, it is going to open up the AR Bookfinder, okay? The easiest thing for you to do is click Student. That's the simplest way to navigate. And then you can search the title of the book that you are wondering about. Let's say, for example, I'm looking for Shiloh. Now, a couple other ones might pull up. If there are multiple titles with the word in it, you just look for the one that matches the cover or the author or the description. And it should tell you, here, Shiloh by Phyllis Reynolds Naylor. Book level is 4.4 and it's worth 4 points. So you should be able to know now, oh, my kid could take a test on this book. As always, if you have any questions about logging into AR, checking student progress, or if you need a new copy of this Renaissance Home Connect sheet, please contact your teacher. We can absolutely help you get that. Thank you.